briefing regarding our TechFest Abhiyantran. So Subham Jain will start the briefing.
A very good morning to all of you. Tech Fest or Technical Fest are the heart of any engineering college. Tech Fest gives the student platform to practicalize their knowledge. All the knowledge gained from the classes, combined with the innovation of their minds, bring out such an intelligent work which is acknowledged by the world. And Tech Fest provides you the platform to showcase your work to the society. It comprises of competitions, lectures, exhibitions, events, and various other professional shows. And you will never return empty-handed, but with a lot of inspiration and knowledge. Technical Fest not only showcases the culmination of technical advancement, but also gives you a platform for the youth to empower sections of community through eco-friendly and sustainable initiatives in technology. NIT Sikkim, an institute of national importance recognized by the Government of India, presents to the world its very first technical fest, Abhiyantran 2014. A briefing on Abhiyantran will be now given by Aishwarya.
So we have christened our tech fest as Abhiyantran. Abhiyantran means engineering. Abhiyantran 14, the first ever technical fest of NIT Sikkim, is all set to start from this year with the pursuit of creativity, innovation and technology to herald the future of Sikkim into an age of evolution brought over by revolution in technology. Abhiyantran 14 is the initiative of our Honorable Director Sir, Professor A.B. Samada, and students who have put their minds to come up with an idea as brilliant as a college's very own Tech Fest. Now, I request Mr. Vishwesh Bhatt to give an abstract about the events to be organized under Abhiyantran.
थैंक यू. तो मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में स्पीक करके बोलूँगा क्योंकि थोड़ा इंटरेक्टिव सेशन मैं बनाना चाहता हूँ इसको, नॉट अ बोरिंग वन. So first of all, I will make you learn about the URL of our website. It's abhiyantran.nitsikkim.ac.in, and the whole website has been designed and maintained by Subham Jain. I think you might be knowing him. He is standing here right now. So he is a guy from our college only. We don't have to hire any company, any organization for doing that. So you can think an institute like NIT can do anything on itself. We are organizing the workshop of Android application development on the behalf of our college students only. So NIT is an institute which can do anything on its own, provided the infrastructure and the environment, which we are lacking somewhat here, but still apart from that, we are doing our best. It is the website of our college. आप देख सकते हैं, ये हमारी वेबसाइट है. We have Abhiyantran. The tagline is Ignite Invent. Ignite means to spark. किसी चीज को जब हम शुरुआत करते हैं जैसा लगता है कि चिंगारी को भड़का देना होता है ना, उस टाइप से इग्नाइट. तो ये हमारा पहला टेक फेस्ट है. So we are igniting it right now, and we are going up to invention. Means the final aim is to invent something. We will have different tabs there, which will show you what are the different you can call it highlights, flagship events, talks, speakers. If you go to talks, you will see there. Please. You will see there Chris Phillips, a very known man in the field of quantum physics. He is from the field of quantum physics, और उनका जो वर्क है वो किसी पार्टिकल को इनविजिबल करने पे है. सपोज करो कि आपके सामने एक आदमी खड़ा है और उसके पीछे की स्क्रीन नजर आता है आपको, कैसा लगेगा? आप सोचो कि मैजिक है, इट्स अ ट्रिक ऑफ हैंड्स, उसके हाथ की सफाई हो सकती है, लेकिन इनका वर्क ऐसा नहीं है. इन्होंने वर्क किया है, he made some synthetic particles. He created some synthetic particles, and his work is on how to make those particles go invisible. उस पार्टिकल कैसे इनविजिबल करना है, उस पे का वर्क है. He is from Imperial College of London, a very renowned college, Imperial College of London. And if you zoom it, please, you will see there Professor Chris Phillips is currently the Dean of Natural Sciences and Head of Optoelectronics Section, Imperial College London. And our director, sir, Professor A.P. Samadar, is also a fellow of Imperial College of London. Now, if you go to the next speaker, you will see Richard Stallman. You might be knowing about Linux, Ubuntu. So he is the father of open software. He is the father of open software. Means it is his concept to make a software free. And he is a means you can call it a social man, a man of social ethics. And he is also, and his work starts from mid 1990s. And I don't need to tell much about him because he is a man who everybody knows. He will be giving us a video conference. As his schedule is quite busy, he has agreed to give us a video conference on the words of our directors only. Because he doesn't like too much of these events, because some of the colleges go for like using Skype, using Google, which are paid, which are paid version, like Windows. We use Windows, which is a paid version. So he don't like those institutes who go for a paid versions of any software. But on the words of our director, sir, his credibility, he is going to give us a video conference in our Tech Fest. The next one is Professor Gautam Biswas. He is the director of IIT Guwahati. He is a man from mechanical field. You can see there. Professor Gautam Biswas is currently director of Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati, India. A professor of mechanical engineering at the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. He was the director of CSIR, CMERI. So if you want more information, you may go to our site. The next speaker you will see is Dr. D.P. Mishra, and is a very renowned, you can call it, speaker. वो अपने लेक्चर्स और टॉक्स के लिए जाने जाते हैं पूरे इंडिया में. इवन आई थिंक जितने भी टेक्फेस्ट होते होंगे या जितने भी हुए होंगे, कोई ऐसा टेक्फेस्ट नहीं होगा जहां उन्होंने अपना टॉक नहीं दिया होगा. वो इतने मतलब रिनाउंड स्पीकर हैं टेक्फेस्ट के लिए, टेक्नोलॉजिकल चीज़ों के लिए. उनका जो वर्क है वो एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग पे है. ही इज अ मैन फ्रॉम द फील्ड्स ऑफ एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंड. एंड अगर आप उनकी लिस्ट देख लोगे कि जो उनको मेडल्स मिले हैं या फिर जो भी उनको यू कैन कॉल इट लाइक अवार्ड्स या फिर टर्म होता है टैग लाइन्स जो मिलते हैं, जैसे उनको मिला है क्रिस फिलिप्स को द मैन ऑफ इनविजिबिलिटी, द इनविजिबल मैन. इनके इतने टैग्स हैं कि उनको लिस्ट करना मुश्किल है. आप इनकी अगर प्रोफाइल देखोगे नेट पे तो बहुत लंबी इनकी लिस्ट है अवार्ड्स की और प्रोफाइल प्राइजेस की. And many more speakers will be there. Like we will have Wipro general manager here, CDEC general manager will be here, Intel one general manager will be here. So we will have different technocrats, different industrialists, different college personnel, academic professionals. We will have different persons here in those 4 days. You will have a chance to mingle with them, to interact with them, and to share your ideas with them. We will have question and answer session also during that Tech Fest. After that, if you will see, we have some key events which will keep you engrossed in the mental work, and some fun events also. In key events, you will see Trash Bar. Basically, it's a junkyard event. You will be given some events, some components which you will see as a junk, but you can make something fruitful from that those components. It's Trash Bar. Thereafter, some tech quiz focusing on technical things. Debate, a treasure hunt. As you have seen in many films and in many colleges also, we have a treasure hunt competition here also. Game matrix, including like NFS, everybody knows, and there will be some more games also in that game matrix. After that, if you go to the branch-wise or department-wise events, you will see CSE events there. It's Codex, based on the coding capability of a person. How can you code you can decode something or code something, both things. Android, as some guys are doing Android application development workshop here. So you might be learning how to make an Android application. So it will be an event focusing on how to make an Android application, Android. Thereafter there are some, you can call it basically CCT guys and ETC guys, like circuit based events, black box and circuitology. Both are focused on transistors, diodes, capacitors. You're learning about what is a rectifier, what is a, you can call it bridge rectifier, basic things which will take to a higher level. If you go like, if you are going to make some 3 or 4 circuits mingle with each other, one after the another, like you make a filter, you make a rectifier, you pass a wave here, triangular wave, you make it integrate it, first you integrate it, then differentiate it. So what will be the outcome? We will give you a black box. Inside that there will be many components, many circuits. You have to think what may be inside by checking the input and output. It focuses the black box. Thereafter we have civil engineering or mechanical engineering events. As these departments are very new to our college, only since the last 2 years we have this. We have only one event because the guys are only from first year and second year, so their knowledge is limited up to their level only. So we have limited events for them. It's based on AutoCAD. Its name is CAD, and it is based on AutoCAD. We will be having an AutoCAD workshop here for that event in the next week. We have a renowned company for that. You might see the posters here in the Beach Hall. In this AutoCAD competition, you may design something in this software. There will be competition-based event, and you will be given something pre-hand knowledge what you can design, what you may design, and regarding the designs, its stability, you will be judged and you will be awarded. Thereafter, we have workshops which are attending. We have about 6 to 7 workshops. Ethical hacking was done in the previous week. Robotics and Android application workshop is going on. In the tech fest, we will have quadcopter, the most important one and very much interesting. If you have seen 3 Idiots, you must have seen a rotating kind of thing and hovercraft which can fly here from here and there. We use it in surveillance kind of things mostly. In defense, lot of researches are going on how to make those things more compact, more concise, which can't be seen from a larger distance. We can fly it at a height, and we can record the events going on the enemy side. So we are having a quadcopter event, and the company which is going to organize is RoboSapiens. It's from Delhi, and it has a collaboration with IIT Delhi. So this event will be in collaboration with IIT Delhi, and the certificates which will be given will have the tag of IIT Delhi also. And we are having our college as zonal center for this. Means for the Northeast region, NIT Sikkim is a zonal center for quadcopter workshop. So I think different NIT students will also come here, and they have registered also on our website from NIT Jamshedpur, from NIT Meghalaya, NIT Shillong. So different institute guys will be coming to attending this workshop particularly during the Tech Fest. It is also 16 hours workshop as it is going on. Robotics we are doing and enjoying it. After that we have cloud computing next week. In cloud computing, you must be using your Google accounts like Gmail accounts. In Gmail accounts you see there Google Drive, online storage. These are new things, but there is a very important thing to make anything very safe. So in cloud computing, you will be learning how to use those things, how we make those things, how they operate basically. After the workshops, we have our Fiesta. Every technical festival is you can think that क्या है कि एक ही बार हर चीज बार टॉक्स स्पीकर्स बोरिंग हो जाता है क्योंकि माइंड स्लगिश हो जाती है. तो उसके लिए नाइट्स में क्या होता है कि हम कल्चरल इवेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं जो सबको बूस्ट अप करते हैं और मजा आता है उसमें. सब डांस करते हैं, नाचते हैं और इट्स एंजॉयिंग लॉट ऑफ फन. यू कैन सी द बैनर देयर ऑफ फिएस्टा. In this we will have some Sikkim traditional events. We are organizing from Gangtok. We will have a troupe. A Speak Make event will be also there one night. Speak Make guys will come here, very professional, very traditional. And Seven Sister events will be there, focusing northeast. So we are focusing on northeast and Sikkim mainly. And apart from that, we will have some Western dances also, Western songs also, and Indian Bollywood songs also. Means an event which will take you from all over the world. You can see some English songs like 21 Guns. You will enjoy that also. You will enjoy the Sikkim traditional dance also. So the fiesta will keep you engrossed at the both level, at the mind level and the soul level. Next we have exhibitions. We have technical exhibition in which we will exhibit our projects from our college. Next is a school exhibition. From schools of Sikkim have been registered here, and they will show their projects during the technical festival. Book exhibition, different companies or different publishers are coming like Tata McGraw-Hill, Pearson, Wiley, Oxford, all these kind of things, all these kind of publishers which you must be knowing, very renowned. They will be coming, they will display their books here, and you can buy them, you can enjoy that exhibition. All kind of magazines, all kind of competitive books which you have to buy from Flipkart or anything else in a place like Sikkim. You will be having your hands on that. After the book exhibition, you can see there are tabs like sponsors. We have different sponsors, different companies, which we have sponsored our event. You can see here, and there are more companies which are on the way. They are applying for us, but we have to think for them how to give them a chance to sponsor us. Now, if you see, दिस इज अ वेरी गुड इवेंट। आपको लग रहा होगा कि अच्छा तो है, ऐसा है कि नहीं है? बढ़िया है ना? सीके में कैसा लगेगा जब बाहर करवाएंगे और आपको लगेगा कि क्रिस फिलिप्स आ रहे हैं और डिजिटल स्टॉल बना रहे हैं, कैसा लगेगा? अच्छा लगेगा? तो आपको रजिस्टर करने में फिर अच्छा लगेगा? हाँ? अच्छा लगेगा रजिस्टर करने में? तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि कैसे रजिस्टर करना है। पहले आप एक बार हमारा अब देख लो, आप एंड्रॉइड एप्लीकेशन देख लो। ये एंड्रॉइड एप्लीकेशन भी हमारे स्टूडेंट से बनाया है, सीएससी थर्ड ईयर के स्टूडेंट से बनाया है, रोमिल ने बनाया है। और ये गूगल प्ले पे है, ये अभिनंदन के नाम से है, ठीक है? और इसे आपको डाउनलोड कर सकते हो अपने मोबाइल फोन में। लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स आप इसमें ले सकते हो अगर आप कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन देना चाहते हैं, कुछ चेंज करना चाहते हैं, ठीक है? तो आप यहाँ पे नेट भी चल रहा है फ्री का, तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है नेट यूज करने में। जस्ट नेट वाईफाई पे क्लिक कीजिए, 4 टावर आ रहे होंगे, 5 टावर आ रहे होंगे, आराम से यूज कीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। आप इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, डाउनलोड करके देखिए कैसा है, एंजॉय कीजिए। इसमें जितना मैंने बताया सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेंगे आपको, और उसमें एक कॉन्टैक्ट्स भी दिया हुआ है, तो आप उस कॉन्टैक्ट्स को यूज करके किसी को डाउट पूछना हो कि सर कैसे रजिस्टर करना है, यहाँ पे क्लियर नहीं मत तो ऐसे क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है। वहाँ पे एक टैब है ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमिटी, फिर गो टू दैट you see Dr. Sumit is the chairman of our Abhyantran, and after that we all have a student team, and they are coordinated for each event like event management, sponsorship, creativity sales. We have different sales and we have different coordinators for that, and each coordinator has a team for that. So you might know how to create a team and how to make an event like this successful. After that, if I will make to learn how to register, if you will go to our site, there is a register tab or login and registration. You will go to the registration, you will have a form, you can fill it up. There are the rules written, like registration fees is 200 rupees, it is a nominal charge. Apart from means उस चार्ज के बदले में आपको एक रजिस्ट्रेशन किट मिलेगी, ठीक है? उसमें पेन होगा, पैड होगा और भी कुछ होंगे, ठीक है? सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा अभियंत्रण की तरफ से, यूनाइटेड सिक्किम की तरफ से कि आपने यूनाइटेड सिक्किम के टेक्निकल फेस्टिवल में पार्टिसिपेट किया, आपने इसको एंजॉय किया, आपको उसका एक सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा। उसके बाद एकोमोडेशन फ्री है, बट सीट्स आर लिमिटेड फॉर एकोमोडेशन, क्योंकि आप जानते हैं इस हिल स्टेट एरिया में एकोमोडेशन देना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, तो एकोमोडेशन में फ्री रखा है बट वो लिमिटेड है। हमारी कैपेबिलिटी, हमारी कैपेसिटी के अनुसार हमने उसको लिमिट किया है, क्योंकि ये प्लेस आप जानते हो कैसा है। तो एकोमोडेशन इज लिमिटेड, मेस फीस विल बी अराउंड 180 पर डे। We will give you a meal, lunch, dinner, breakfast, refreshments in that. Registration process is online. Only online process will be allowed. No offline process is there. You may go to our website and you can see that. After registration, this is the form you have to fill up: name, date of birth, institute, year of started class, email, mobile number, accommodation required, account, password, these are the things which are common and you have to fill up these. As you will fill up these I think tabs, you will get a confirmation mail from our site. As you will enter your mail there, आप अपना मेल वहाँ पे डालेंगे तो हमको यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, हमारे मेल पे आ जाएगा, हमारे डेटाबेस पे कि एक बच्चे ने रजिस्टर किया है, और उस बच्चे को हम अपनी तरफ से confirmation मेल भेज देते हैं, जनरेट करके उसकी अपनी आईडी और पासवर्ड, ठीक है? तो आप उसे लॉग इन कर सकते हो अगली बार के लिए। वहाँ पे आप जब बाहर जाओगे रजिस्ट्रेशन टैब से, तो वहाँ पे एक लॉगिन टैब नजर आएगा, वहाँ पे एक लॉगिन टैब है, तो आप जब रजिस्टर कर दोगे तो आपको आईडी और पासवर्ड मिल जाएगा, आप उसके थ्रू लॉगिन कर सकते हो और आपको अपने जो इवेंट्स यहाँ पे हो रहे हैं उन इवेंट्स के लिए आप पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो, रजिस्टर कर सकते हो। नाउ फेसबुक पेज अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं अपना, आप अगर फेसबुक पेज देखें हमारा, तो हमारा फेसबुक पेज है, वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक्स देयर और रिव्यूज भी हैं उस पर, आप देख सकते हैं। हमें अबाउट 5 स्टार्स हैं, काफ़ी अच्छा मानूंगा मैं इसको। और वी अपडेट अवर एवरीथिंग, लाइक हमने स्वच्छ भारत अभियान जो हमने सोचा करने का उसको अपडेट किया हमने यहाँ पे, ठीक है? ये अभियान जो है स्वच्छ भारत अभियान को हम सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं अपनी तरफ से। ये रवांगला में होगा, गैंगटॉक में होगा। वी विल बी गोइंग गैंगटॉक एंड वी हैव अ परमिशन देयर एंड वी विल गो देयर एंड वी विल डू दिस इवेंट एट एमजी मार्ग। हम यहाँ पे फ्लैश मॉब भी करने वाले हैं, एट गैंगटॉक करेंगे, एमजी मार्ग, thereafter we will do it at Rampur and at Ravangla. These are the ethical hacking workshop photos. You can see the previous workshop at Sunday. Now if you will see the brochure, if you want to see the brochure also, This is your browser, information browser. This is the home page or first page. Go to the next page, please. It's Abhintran, about Abhintran. What is Abhintran? What we are doing? This is Abhintran. Next page, please. It's about NIT Sikkim. If you want to have something about NIT Sikkim, we have it here. हमारी कमिटी जो हमारी जो कमिटी है उसके थ्रू एक मैसेज है इस पे उद्भावन जो हमारा थीम है इस बार का इस हर टेक फेस्ट का एक थीम होता है तो इस टेक फेस्ट का जो थीम है वो उद्भावन है दीज आर द फ्लैगशिप इवेंट्स मतलब जो मेन इवेंट्स होते हैं किसी भी इवेंट के जिनमें हमको ज़्यादा मतलब इंटरेस्ट और फोकस देना होता है दीज आर द फ्लैगशिप इवेंट्स टॉक्स आपको बता चुका हूँ मैं इनविजिबल मैन क्रिस फिलिप लाइक दिस रिचर्ड स्टॉलमैन टीपी मिश्रा event I've told you previously. This is the you can call it information browser. You will have it all the information at one place. Key events, Fiesta. You can contact us through this email ID and phone number. This is different departments, specific departments. अगर आपको किसी एक को मतलब स्पेसिफिकली पूछना है उसको कि हाँ आपने ये चीज़ कैसे किया, you can have our means आप हमारे एक्सपीरियंस को भी शेयर कर सकते हैं अगर अगली बार आप कुछ इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हो तो आपको पूछना हो कि सर आपने ये कैसे किया था सिक्किम में पब्लिसिटी हो चाहे परमिशन हो तो आप यू कैन गो देयर सो दिस इज ऑल एनी क्वेरीज प्लीज इफ यू वांट नो these are some photos which you can enjoy